Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play against bots in Battlefield 6. There are a few different ways to do it and I'll walk you through the easiest ones. First, you can go into training grounds and select initiation breakthrough. This is the simplest way to load into a match that's mostly filled with bots and it works instantly without any setup. Another option is through community. Head over to my experiences and you can create your own custom mode using the portal builder. This lets you set up a match with bots only. It takes a little time, but you get full control over how everything works. If you don't want to build one yourself, go back to community, open search experiences and just type in bots. You will see a list of modes created by other players. You can join any of these without setting anything up, which saves a lot of time. For example, I joined one of these bot games. When you enter the server list, you'll notice most of these lobbies might have only 1 or 2 real players out of 64. So almost every slot is filled by bots. Once the match loads, you will see all the bot ranks around you, things like warrant officer or private, which makes it easy to tell they are AI. You can also check browse servers, which is right next to search experiences. From there, you can look for lobbies labeled with bots or custom bot drafts. That's another quick way to jump into bot matches. And that's there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.